Have you recently noticed one of your basement walls has begun to bow? There are a few reasons this might be happening, but you are most likely wondering if this is something you need to fix right away. In today's video, we will discuss whether you should have your bowed basement wall fixed right away, or if you can wait to fix this issue later on. Hi, I'm Nolan and I'm the Director of Sales at AccuLevel. Bowing basement walls is an issue that is typically caused by hydrostatic pressure. Whether your wall has bowed a few inches or a large distance, we here at AccuLevel can help you fix this problem. That being said, you are probably wondering if a bowed wall is something you need to have fixed. Let's discuss that topic. When the walls in your basement start to bow, this is typically caused by hydrostatic pressure on the outside of your home. Hydrostatic pressure is a buildup of moisture and pressure in the earth surrounding your walls, causing your walls to be pushed inward. If your walls are experiencing just a few inches of bowing, we can install carbon fiber straps to stabilize them right where they're at and ensure that they will not bow any further. If your wall is bowing more than a few inches, we'll need to use other methods such as wall anchors or tiebacks to stabilize or in some cases straighten your wall. Carbon fiber straps are a much more cost-effective method of stabilizing your bowing wall, but these can only be installed if your wall isn't bowing past a certain distance. The longer you wait to fix your bowed wall, the more it could bow over time. If you want your home to be healthy and want to keep your costs as low as possible, it is best not to wait to fix your bowed basement wall. If you have questions about your home's bowed walls, give us a call to schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors. You can also go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button in the top right corner. Fill out the form and we'll be in touch within the next business day. Do you have questions about bowed walls, carbon fiber straps, or wall anchors? If so, please leave them in the comments below and we'll be happy to answer those questions for you. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. We noticed that about 99% of the people who watch our videos are not subscribed. So if you could take a second to hit the like and subscribe button, we would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.